Trust provisioning is a process that ensures an OEM's IP, cryptographic keys, digital certificates, and other critical information are safeguarded by managing the root of trust of a product throughout the entire manufacturing process. Nearly all OEMs rely on contract manufacturers to produce their final products, but this exposes the OEM to a variety of potential problems, including IP theft, malware injection and execution, use of counterfeit ICs, and other issues. Trust provisioning prevents these problems. A hardware security module, or HSM, is hardened, tamper-proof hardware used to securely store cryptographic keys. NXP offers MCUs with built-in HSM capabilities to store OEM secrets. This is called Device HSM Trust Provisioning. NXP's Device HSM Trust Provisioning is a self-service solution with no added service cost that protects the OEM firmware, keys, and additional data using the NXP evaluation kit for the target device and the free MCUXpresso Secure Provisioning Tool, allowing for easy implementation by the OEM and the contract manufacturer. Using the EVK and the MCUXpresso Secure Provisioning Tool, the OEM prepares a production package to send to the contract manufacturer. This includes the signed and encrypted OEM firmware, encrypted OEM keys, and OEM personalization data such as debug authentication or secure boot settings. The contract manufacturer uses the MCUXpresso Secure Provisioning Tool with the production package to send the OEM personalization data to the device first. Only a genuine NXP device has the trust provisioning firmware and secret keys to decrypt the personalization data and OEM keys, preventing the use of counterfeit devices. Once decrypted, the OEM keys and OEM personalization data are securely programmed to the device. The signed and encrypted firmware is then loaded to the target device, which now has the OEM keys to decrypt it, ensuring the OEM's IP remains secured at the contract manufacturer's facility. Ready to learn more? Visit nxp.com/device-HSM.